part of Albertus Magnus in the demolition process. Here you see the tops that we were talking about before. These tops are stone. You can see the quarried stone, they break like slate. This is one way you can identify. Demolition, not a fun job, but usually done in no more than a day or two, predicated on the size of the project. The tops are the biggest issue, just because of the weight factor, and breaking them down because they've been glued down for, 50 years or so.
Le están sacando el bronce.